In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can we downgrade a WordPress website to a previous version. So I'm going to downgrade that website, fleet.space. I'm going to log in. After that, I forgot to open my time trigger. I'm going to open my time trigger. Okay, I'm opening my time trigger. Okay. Okay, you can see here the current version of the WordPress website is 4.7.2. Now we have to downgrade that website to that 4.4.2 that version. So I'm going to extract that folder. Okay. First step is that we have to deactivate all our active plugins. So I'm going to deactivate all active plugins. You can see here the contact from 7 need to deactivate. The Fusion core need to deactivate. Okay. So you can see here all activate plugin is now deactivated, and now I'm going to take a look to my WinRAR. It is near about finish the extracting process. Okay, now I'm going to the file manager of the fleet.space website. Now I'm going to log into Bluehost. It's maybe not Bluehost. I'm going to here is the login. My fault. I'm going to launch that. Oh, sorry. I got a mistake. Civil fleet. Okay. I'm going to file manager of the fleet.space website. Okay, here is the okay. Okay, now we are in the C panel of the fleet.space website. So now we have to go to file manager. I'm going to file manager and public HTML. Now we have to work here. First thing is that we have to work with WP content and WP admin folder. I'm going to compress those two folders. I'm giving a name WP admin plus WP, not WP content. It will be WP include plus WP admin. Okay, I'm going to compress those two folders. Zip archive WP admin plus WP inc include. Okay, I'm going to just compress those two folders. You can see we got if we reload that page, so we get a zip archive called wp-admin plus wp-inc.zip. Now I'm going to delete those two folders, wp-admin and wp-include. Okay, I'm going to delete those. Remember that the WP content folder is very important, and we don't have to do anything in this folder. Now we have to upload. Now we can delete or compress those files. You can see here without the WP content. I'm selecting all others files to make a zip archive. Okay, all others file is now selected. Now I'm going to make a zip archive. I'm going to compress those files. Zip archive. Where is the name? Okay, I'm going to name that all wordpress others singles. Okay, compress files. You can see that all are now I'm going to delete those files. Default error favicon. You can see here I have selected all files and now going to delete those. Okay, files are now deleted. Now we have to upload WP includes. This is the previous version. You can see here this is WordPress 4.4.2 and current version is here. You can see 4.7.5. We are going to 4.4.2. Okay, now we have to upload WP admin, WP include and all others file in a zip archive. I'm going to give a name 4.4.2 and making a zip archive. Okay, and now we have to upload that file to our file manager. I'm going to copy the path of the file and going to upload that to our file manager. You can see here. Okay, now I'm selecting that file. Since I have already copied the path of the file, that's why I'm pasting that path here and open. You can see the 4.4.2.zip file is now uploading to server. Okay, now we have to wait until it has been completed. Okay, 100% complete. Now we have to back to the public HTML. And you can see our file 4.4.2 zip is now available in the public HTML directory. Now we have to extract that files here. I'm going to extract that and nothing. No, just extract. Okay, all files is now extracted. Now we have to update the database. Now I'm going to the front end of the site and opening new tab. You can see here this is sorry, maybe I have done wrong anyway. And now I'm going to continue. Oh, sorry. Let me check one thing. Oh shit, I forgot to keep the wp config file. Okay, now I have to make a wp config file which is available in all others files, single files. I'm going to make a new directory. You can see I'm going to create a new directory called, okay, new folder. I'm going to name POLAS, if my name is that. I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, now I'm going to extract that for extract and Polish, POLA. I'm going to extract all files to Polish folder. Okay, extract files. Okay, you can see our files is here. Now I have to copy the wp-config.php file. This is most important file. After that, I have to delete the wp-config.php. wp-config. You can see wp-config is wp-config is not available. So I'm just going to just copy wp-config.php file. Just need to copy that file to public statement. You will see here. Now I'm just copy file. Okay, now we are going to the back, and so if we take a look to the root directory, we will get the file wp-config.php file. Okay, now we have to finalize that. Okay, I'm just, you see, now we have to update the database. Here is the update database is required. Now I'm just going to update wordpress database. You can see update completed. Now our site is all version. Okay, if we take a look to readme.html file, so our current version is that 4.4.2. We tried to downgrade to 4.4.2. So I hope all you guys enjoy that tutorial. If you find that tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.